Hi Bells, it's Sara Stanford here with your BBT, and today I want to talk about the bridal emergency kit, what every bride and her bride tribe need in that hotel room to make sure she has a perfect day. The first thing we need is a sewing kit, something with a needle, maybe some different color threads, some buttons, just in case we have an accident with the bride or the bridesmaid. The second thing that we need to make sure we have is some snacks, maybe a granola bar, some cookies, some water, just to make sure that the bride is well hydrated and not hungry. And the last thing we need to make sure we have is a little bit of antibacterial soap, just in case she gets any kind of stain, whether it is makeup, juice, food. We just dab a little bit of that antibacterial soap on a damp piece of tissue and rub it right out, and no one will ever know that that little accident happened.